You want to learn how to create hyper realistic hair of yourself or for your clients, stay to the end of this video. And if you want to learn how to make 10k daily with this very opportunity, stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you how you can do this by the end of this video. But before then, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 apps you can create AI realistic pictures like this with your smartphone. This app is downloadable on Play Store or App Store, so you don't worry. And I'm going to be sharing everything with you in this video. And if you want to make 10k daily with this very opportunity, or you want to create hyper realistic AI of yourself like the one you are seeing on your screen right now, make sure you stick to the end of this video, because I've prepared this little package at the end of this video. So don't go anywhere, don't miss any step in this video. Go through it step by step as we dive deep into this video. So make sure you stay subscribed for more updates about this AI opportunity, because I'm going to be dropping more videos on this topic so that you will never miss out on any of this video. When I drop it, YouTube will notify you that I just dropped that video, and you'll be the first to take advantage of that. Subscribe and turn on post notification. It's free, and let's dive into this video. Now, these 3 apps are available on Play Store and App Store. So if you are using an iPhone or an Android phone, it's available on both devices. So just go to your App Store or your Play Store, and you are going to type in the first app, which is called Lexica Art. Okay, Lexica Art. All right, so this is the app right here. So if you have downloaded the app on your phone, it's going to be showing open right here. All right, this is the app right here. But if you have not downloaded it, it's going to be showing install. So you go ahead and install the app on your phone. So once you have installed the app on your phone, we are going to be moving to the next phase right now. So the next phase is to open the app. So we are going to open the app right now. As you can see, developed by M. Kafa. All right, this is an Indian person. Okay, it's going to load up, and we are going to land in this page. Now, if you open the app, this is the interface of the app right now. All right, this is the interface of the app. As you can see, these are AI images already in the app. These are realistic AI images on the app right now. All right, as you can see right now, this is crazy. So let's come here, and we are going to search for the AI we are going to be using. All right, so the first thing to do right now is to click on get started. If you click here right now, it's going to ask you to sign up an account with them, of which you are going to do. All right. All right, so we're going to sign up an account with them. You can use your Gmail, you can use your Google. We're going to click on continue with Google, and we're going to sign up an account with our Google account. So guys, we just sign up an account with them. All right, so once you have signed up an account, it's going to be showing this icon right here. As you can see right here, it's going to be showing that icon. So the next thing to do is to generate our AI image. So we click on generate. All right, so once you click on generate, it's going to ask you to describe your image right here. All right, you can just go ahead and describe the image you want on this variables. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is to search for our image. All right, but before we go ahead and search for the realistic AI we are going to be using on this video, I'm going to show you some things right now. Now you can easily change the dimension of your image. As you can see right now, you can change the dimension from a portrait to maybe a landscape, or 1:1 image, or 1:1 image type, or 7:16 image type. You can just go ahead and change it by moving this arrow right here to this very point. All right, as you can see right now, you can just move the dimension to any square you want. We're going to make use of this one right here, which is 768 times 1152. All right, this is just a normal portrait mode. All right, so you make sure you just leave this one, don't tamper with it, except you want to take your image to a landscape type like this one right here. All right, we are going to leave it here, and you can upload your image right here in case you want to upload your image to this very app. All right, so we are going to move on to the next point, which is generating our AI image. So we come to this very point right here, and we are going to search for the kind of AI we want. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my character I want to use. I'm going to search for an old man facing the camera. Okay, I'm going to use or a Chinese old man. So I'm going to search for a Chinese old man facing the camera. Okay, let's just say we are using this. So let's just say we are using this realistic AI for a quote. I believe you must have seen many quotes on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube. Okay, AI quotes of AI talking quotes. Okay, let's say we want to generate an AI talking quote. So I'm going to search for a Chinese old man facing the camera. I'm going to click on generate, and it's going to generate for us. As you can see, it's loading right here. It's loading right now, and it's going to generate these images for us. So let's just wait a minute. It's almost done. Alright, now we have it. Now these are images of what we just generated right now. Alright, you can see a Chinese old man facing the camera. So this is a Chinese old man facing the camera. Now this is the image we requested for. Okay, a Chinese old man facing the camera. So we are going to just go ahead and download any one we want to use, make use of. Let's say I want to make use of this one. I just click on download, and I'm going to download it right now, and it's going to download on my file. Alright, as you can see, it's downloading right now. As you can see, it's already downloaded. Alright, you can also click on the image and download it from this very place. As you can see, this very place, you can download it from there. Just click on download, and it's going to download it to your phone. And you can also leave a like, alright, just to show appreciation to the developer. Now this is the first app you can generate an AI image from. So let's move to the second app right now. So before we move right into the second tool, if you are finding value from this content, please like this video right now, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more feature content around realistic AI, because I'm going to be dropping more premium videos around this topic. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. Okay, subscription is free, you're not paying any single thing for it. So let's move right into the second app right now. So getting the second app right now, you come back to your Play Store again. We're going to type in Photolab. All right, Photolab. Okay, this is it, Photolab, and you are going to install it. And this app also is also available on Play Store and on App Store. All right, if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, you can see it on both apps. So right now you're going to go ahead and download the app again. So if you have not downloaded the app, download it. As you can see, it's showing open because I've installed it on my phone. Go ahead and install it on your phone, and you are going to be seeing it. This is the logo of the very app. So go ahead and open the app right now. So once you open the app, and it's loading right now. So now this is the interface of the app. So once you come here, you can generate a realistic AI from this very app, as you can see right now, and you can turn yourself into an art, as you can see right here, and you can also generate realistic AI from this very app. Okay, these are samples of what you are seeing. These are samples, and these are samples of what you'll be getting from this app. These are samples. All right, so if you have not signed up with the app, just come to this very profile icon right here, click on it, and you are going to sign up an account with them. Okay, you can log in through Google, or you can log in through your Facebook. Click on login through Google. So we just click on any of our accounts, and we are logging. All right, now we can generate our realistic AI. All right, so let's imagine we are using this template right now. Let's say we are using this template. As you can see right now, we're using this template right now. We just click on this template, and it's going to take us here, and we are going to allow this. Yeah, this is the original photo, and this is the AI look. All right, and it has over 1 million likes right now. Click on our gallery. I'm going to search for any of our image we can use. So we're going to just come here. We are going to go to image. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. See, it's loading, getting ready. So we are going to wait for it to load up. It's processing 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. Almost done. Now if you have not liked this video, this will be the best time to like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are getting value from this video. I believe our photo is done. Alright, you can see this is our photo right now. We can also animate this. We can also animate it if you want to animate. We can add text, and we can add art and effects. To save it is very simple. Just click on this very icon right now, this share icon right now. Click on it, and it's going to ask you to save it. Just download, and you can remove this watermark using a simple AI tool. Alright, I'm going to be doing that on a separate video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so that you will be reminded anytime I drop that video, or now you can completely remove watermark from any photo or video. So guys, we are moving straight to the last tool right now. So you come back to your Play Store or your App Store, wherever you are using, and we are going to type in Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest. This is the app right now. Now, Pinterest is an amazing online tool you can use to generate not just AI pictures, but also you can use it to generate quality images you can use for your project. All right. Now, this is the go-to place if you want to generate quality and professional images you want to use for your project, for your graphic design, for your thumbnail, or wherever project you want to do. All right, so we're going to open the app right now. So once you launch the app, the first thing to do is to register an account with them. If you already have an account, just go ahead and click on login, and you're going to be logging into your account. And I'm going to continue. Let's close it. All right, now if you come to Pinterest, you can download any kind of photo you want. As you can see, these are realistic AI images right now. As you can see, these are realistic AI images right now. You can use Android code, and these just pictures you can use. These are realistic AI pictures. This is a realistic AI picture you can use for your project, and these are just, and this is just wonderful. All right, you can generate any kind of photos from here. This is an AI photo, and several more. So we are going to come here. I'm going to go to the search bar. You can see down here. This is the search bar. Just click on the search bar, and we're going to search for our idea. Okay. Now this is what we need. We need an AI realistic. Okay, I'm going to search for realistic AI images. You can type in realistic AI images of an old man, of an African woman, of an Indian man, whatever you want to use it for, and you are going to get it from here. So I'm going to search for this, and it's going to load up. So we just search for realistic AI images, and these are the search results. Now these are so beautiful. And this is an old man, an African old man. This one right here. This is a black American, and this is an Indian boy. Okay. Wow. Now you can just go ahead and download any of these, and you can use it for your next project or for your next client. So you are going down, you are seeing different kind of realistic AI. You can, thousands of them, guys, thousands of them. Just search for what you want and download it, and you can use it for your next project. All right, guys, now this is how you can generate these AI images. Now you can easily generate 5 to 10K with this very medium. If you want to learn how you can do that, you want to watch to the very end of this video, because these are for my subscribers only. All right, so this is the third app you can use to generate AI image for yourself. I believe you find value from this content. If you do like this video right now, give it a like and share it to someone you know this will be valuable to them. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notification. It's free of charge. All right, thanks again for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. So these are the 3 free tools you can use to generate hyper realistic AI. So go and make sure you use this free tool and generate as much hyper realistic AI you can generate. All right, you can use this for any of your projects and any of your tools. Now these are those who stay to the end of this video. So if you have not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to this channel to take advantage of this opportunity. Now if you want to make 10K daily with this very opportunity, and if you want to create hyper realistic AI of yourself and for your clients, or you want to use to grow a page, wherever you want to use it for, so make sure you click on the first link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment section, whichever one you are going to click on, to be coming into my WhatsApp group. All right, if you come there, I'm going to be sharing this with you. I've put together this video for a few of my subscribers to have access to it. So if you click on the link right now in the description or in the comments or in the pinned comment section, you come into my WhatsApp group and you follow the instructions and you follow suit. If you want to learn more about these AI opportunities, I've put together some videos that will help you achieve that. So click here right now to access those videos.